next to you. Said, take it on back. Won't you